Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mansi, and in today's video I will show you how to remove facial hair permanently and instantly with just a couple of ingredients available in your kitchen. So to prep this, you will need unflavored gelatin, which is available in your local grocery store. Gelatin has amino acids and proteins in it, which helps in removing uneven skin tone, wrinkles and stretch marks from your face, giving it a very youthful and very nice look. To this I will add 2 teaspoonsful of raw milk. Raw milk is a milk which you have not boiled. Instead I will just heat the milk. Raw milk has some amazing properties which helps in cleansing, toning and moisturizing, as well as reduce the appearance of sun damage and sunburn. So raw milk is a very good and appropriate ingredient for this paste. So if you use boiled milk, it will lose all the nutrients which are present in raw milk, and you have to heat the raw milk so that it mixes the gelatin very nicely with it. Otherwise, if you use cold milk, it will not mix the gelatin. Paste, I'm adding raw and organic honey, which is 100% pure. Honey helps in improving your skin tone and nourishing it, as well as cleansing out your skin very nicely. So I will add that also and mix it very thoroughly. To this I am adding just a pinch of honey. Honey is the main ingredient which is responsible in removing any facial hair or any unwanted hair from your body. I will mix all the ingredients very nicely and the paste is ready, and please remember you have to work really fast with this paste. I'm starting off with very clean face and I have no makeup on, and just before applying the paste I'm using a warm towel and putting it on my face for a couple of minutes to open up my pores so that the paste removes any dust and gunk or any blackheads or whiteheads. Also, please pin up your hair back or put a headband like this if you have, so that there is no hair which you don't want to remove. For applying this paste, I recommend using this flat brush. And now I will just start applying the paste on my face all over, and make sure that you apply a thick layer of this paste because it will be easier to remove it in one go. Also remember, please do not go anywhere near to your eyes because these are very sensitive areas, and please make sure that you don't apply this paste near to your eyebrows because the last thing you want is getting a bald eyebrow. Only apply this paste on the area which you want that hair should be removed. You should always do a patch test on your elbow or your hand so that you can make sure the paste is not so hot. And also guys, this paste dries up really fast, you have to work really quickly, and if it does harden up, so you can just toss it into the microwave for a couple of seconds and it will become back to its pasty form. Also guys, just to inform you that if you're very sensitive to smell and if you don't like harsh smell, gelatin does not smell that good. So if you're very sensitive, then you can just add a few drops of lemon or some essential oil in your paste so that it does not smell that really bad. After applying it on my whole face, we will just leave it on for 30 minutes to let it dry. After 30 minutes are over, you will actually start feeling very tight because it actually feels like you've wrapped up a plastic on your face. So this is the time to remove this sheet. To remove the mask, I will just pull out my skin out so that it is really easy to remove the mask. And always remember to pull out the mask upwards so that will actually remove your hair. Otherwise, it will not remove your hair. Guys, I will warn you, if you have low tolerance to pain, then you might skip this mask, but I'm okay with it because this mask feels like actually applying wax on your face and then peeling it off. You can clearly see that it instantly removed my sideburns, and I have a lot of hair because I've not shaved my face from past 2 weeks. So that was great guys. After I've done, I will just wash my face with some lukewarm water and just pat my face with the towel. You can actually see how glowy and clear my skin is looking now after I've removed this mask. Once I'm done with that, I will just rub some ice on my face so that my face doesn't get red or doesn't get irritated. And that's it guys, we are done. So now just apply a regular moisturizer all over your face and you're good to go. Using this mask in a couple of weeks can reduce the appearance of hair permanently and instantly, so it's a very nice mask. So guys, if you found this video helpful, do give it a big thumbs up. If you're new here, take a moment and subscribe to my channel, and also click the bell button down there, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.